Hi, I'm Alex Fanous. I'm a cloud solutions architect. I work on the cloud incubation team. We help bring new products to service, and one of the things that we work on right now is the Advanced Networking Lab for VMC on AWS. So the lab really helps you take a deeper step into what you're doing and what you can do with the solution. So for instance, normal, you can do firewall rules, distributed firewall rules. With the advanced lab, we take that a little bit further. So we can then query and sniff DNS queries, filter future firewall rules off of that. For instance, if you wanted to block access to social media, we can help intersect that DNS message, pull out the request for Twitter or Facebook, remove it, and then provide a blank message back, so that way the person can't access social media on your network. This can be extended out to a lot of different use cases. The social media is just one that comes up a lot for the EAC use case. The typical user for this lab is going to be somebody that's managing a VMC environment and getting a little bit deeper. So it's usually when we start getting outside of the networking and into the security roles, where we're starting to layer in more security, more control over the traffic versus just a hard no this traffic or yes this traffic. We can get into a little bit more of the finesse of the solution. Yes, you can go to websites, but you can't go to this website. Yes, you can use this application, but you can't use it for this end target. So this lab is going to let you walk through the environment in a simulated way to actually navigate VMC on AWS, see the portfolio, and then really start getting into some specifics. FQDN filtering, some layer 7 filtering, and then expanding into connections into other environments. So we'll show you how to see the routing tables into other environments you're connected to, like the VPC, or maybe another SDDC that you're paired with. And we'll go through that pairing process and how you can share traffic back and forth. I think this lab is a great way to extend your knowledge, learn more about the capabilities of there that are beyond just that first wave. So if you've been using VMC and AWS for a little while, this is going to be a great way of learning more and taking more out of the solution, so that way you can accomplish more and help you in your day-to-day job.